Yes, students, in this we are going to study physical pendulum and time period whether the body is oscillating through center of mass of the earth. So this is the case of physical pendulum. Practically this is a irregular body and it is suspended at a point A. And center of mass, this is the center of mass, position of the center of mass, right? Distance between suspension point and center mass is small d. When it is displaced, so it will start oscillating like this. So let this is displaced one and this is, you can say, this is the d, this is d, this is the d, you can represent over here. So this is the D. You may show over here center of mass, this point of suspension, this is A. So this is the D and mg force of the body acting along this, and this is in this way center of mass. So I am showing, so mg is acting along this and mg sin theta and along this mg cos theta. This is the mg sin theta. So mg sin theta, there is rotational motion. Due to mg sin theta, rotation restoring torque will act. So in this operation, you may write time period t equal 2 pi root inertia factor upon restoring torque factor. That is, let here you may write torque is very well known, that is due to mechanically torque is point of suspension to this length d, cross product, this is the 90 degree, and r cross product f, this is the r and this is the f, mg sin theta, mg sin theta, and this is equal to k theta. K is restoring torque per unit angular displacement. So total this is theta, total rotation is theta, this is the theta. So k theta is the total torque. So if angle is very small, so sin theta equal theta, you may write dmg theta equal k theta, and this implies theta k equal theta and theta cancel, k equal dmg. This is restoring torque per unit angular displacement. There in translation motion we call it force constant, here we will say torque constant k. Time period t equal 2 pi inertia factor upon torque factor k. So this is answer. For this inertia you may write 2 upon 2 pi, or for inertia you may write mk square upon this is a radius of gyration. Here you may represent as by k dash, because there will be 2k, but this value k another, this is another, this is radius of gyration, and this is mgd, mgd, and mgd you may write this 2 pi root I upon mgd, or you may write 2 pi and a moment of inertia about this equal moment of inertia about center mass, that is m k square. This is wrong, I am missing over here, I am sorry, this is not correct. Here you will write moment of inertia about this equal moment of inertia parallel axis theorem, inertia about center mass, that is m k square. Here you will write k dash, radius of gyration, plus m h square, h is d square, whole upon m mgd. So you may write like this way or like this way as you wish. If it is symmetric known body, so you may write moment of inertia, and if it is asymmetric body like this, so you will write m k dash square. K is radius of gyration plus md square. Okay, so this way you can represent, and this you can cancel it. So in this way you can write. This is physical pendulum. For any body you may find. For example, I am taking, let there is a rod, there is a physical body, I am taking this as a rod, this is, and it is suspended at this point, it is suspended, its length is L and mass is m. So find time period. So this is a physical body, it is a rod. So for this you will write time period t equal 2 pi root inertia factor upon m dg, I by k, and k you have derived, it will be mdg or mgd. So this is the moment of inertia about this for rod is 1/3 of ml square. This is the 2 pi. Now substitute value 1/3 ml square upon mgd. This is over. And now question is this, what is the d over here? Here d equal d center of mass to the suspension, this is the d, and this is the L by 2. L by 2. You'll have to substitute over here. Okay, substitute, you'll find the answer. This is the physical pendulum. Many question may be, basic principle is this. You are not to be afraid of. Apply basic principle, that's okay. Next, I am going to study tunneling. So how to do it? This is the earth, and suppose tunnel across the earth that is passing through center is made, and m mass body is put over here. So what happened? This m mass body through tunnel will come, and here at the surface g is this, at depth g reduces, and at this point g dash equal 0. Effective g at the center of the earth is 0. In SHM same happens. What is in SHM? At the main position acceleration is 0, at this point acceleration is maximum, and the body as it comes towards this acceleration reduces. Same happening over here. So body will come over here, force is acting but force is reducing, that is acceleration is reducing. At this point velocity will be maximum. According to law of inertia, body will not stop over here, it will come over here. As soon it come over here, again restoring force will act. We are considering there is no friction, no energy loss. So in this case, time period t equal 2 pi and y upon a. Time period, one more formula is y upon a. Y is displacement and a is the acceleration. Over here, one more important thing is that you will apply acceleration at the displacement y. And if you are taking this is the y, so at this point acceleration you will apply. If you are taking this is as a y, so at this point acceleration you will use. So in this time period t equal 2 pi and y equal radius of the earth and acceleration is g. This is the time period. Y displacement, this is a body is displaced, it's reaching over here, so displacement is re, radius of the earth, and at this point acceleration is g. And if it is given in middle, so at this point acceleration you will have to apply. They are saying that is what is the time period, but time period will be constant. In that there will be no change. There will be no change. So next I am telling you that if something is changing, and what is the change? This is the earth and this is the this. Now tunnel is made like this. This is M mass body you are putting over here. This is the center. So this M mass body will come over here and move this. But center of the earth is this. This is now what will be the time period. Now what is the time period? Time period T equal 2 pi square root y upon a. Y upon a. So you know it very well that along this acceleration is g. So along this angle is theta. Along this acceleration will be g cos theta. Along this acceleration is g cos component of g at angle theta, g cos theta. And second way, this is the center, this is draw perpendicular, this is draw perpendicular. So this is the hypotenuse, this is the radius re, so this is re cos theta. So this length is re cos theta, re cos theta. Now substitute these values over here. So in this case, along this oscillation will take place due to acceleration or due to force mg cos theta. Oscillation will take place, and this length, displacement length, is re cos theta. So in this is equal to 2 pi and y equal re cos theta upon a is g cos theta. Cos theta and cos theta is cancelled. This is the 2 pi root re upon z. Meaning is this, oscillation is along this or oscillation along this, there is no change in the time period. Time period value is same. Okay, so this is SHM oscillations. You are getting time period in tunneling of the earth, and in next video so many questions related with the IIT NEET. I'll tell you very important, and each question principle will be, this is in this I am telling you theory, in that I'll tell you only the principle in 1 minute only. In 1 minute answer will be, and principle and objective will be told by me. Okay, best of luck, and please, my view is this, and the 30-year experience physics faculty, I want to deliver my complete knowledge to the nation, to the world. And please, if you think cooperation is important, please cooperate to other student and me also, and deliver these videos to the other friends. Don't be jealous, and please, if you think good, please subscribe me. Okay, best of
Look.